We've been asked a question of, is it worth lubing an Oil King switch? The Gateron Oil Kings are known for being really smooth out of the box because it's nicely factory lubed and it's also really smooth to begin with. Now we found that when you lube the Oil Kings, they get a little bit smoother and it sounds just a little bit more full. On Q and W, these are the two Oil King switches that we have right now. So you can tell which one's which. What do you think? I will tell you the answer in the comments of which one is which. But see if you can figure out for yourself which one's which. Keep in mind, this is a modded Q1, so your Q1 might not sound the same as ours. We did the force brake mod, and we also did the PE foam mod on this, as well as painter's tape. So it's fully modded, which is why it sounds the way it does. Now we still have the original Gateron switches and the other switches. Now the last thing to note here is that the Gateron Oil King has pretty tight tolerances on the top housing to begin with. And so we recommend using the Lube ultra thin film if you're going to film your switches. Now the ultra thin films are going to deepen the sound ever so slightly and tighten it up ever so slightly, but like we said, these are pretty tight to begin with and already much better than stock. So it's up to you whether or not you want to lube and film these. It's not completely required like other switches are. These are perfectly usable out the box, but they do get a little bit better. Tell us what you think, and we're going to let you know the answer in the comments below.